Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all the comments you have ever made on Facebook. So if you want to delete all the comments or one of the comments you have made on Facebook all at once, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down and you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after clicking on network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page you have to open the app store here. So in app store you have to look for the Facebook app. So if you search for the Facebook app, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Facebook from here, and you have to simply click on profile. And after clicking on profile, you have to simply click on settings, and in settings you have to scroll it down until you find the option of activity log. So here you have to simply click on activity log. So here you will find your Facebook activity, so you have to simply click on that. And in Facebook activity you will find your comments and reactions. So if you want to see only comments, you have to click on that arrow and you have to find your comments. So here you can simply find all of your comments. So now if you want to delete all of the comments, then you can simply see that there is a remove button option available. So if you click on that, then they will be moved to recycle bin. Now if you want to remove it from the recycle bin, so here you can simply check for that, and all of your comments will be deleted from recycle bin also if you do that. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.